So in this short tutorial, I want to show you how to create a basic logo file or graphic file and then import that file to the Bestcode Series 8 CIJ printer. The software we're going to use for this is standard Windows Paintbrush software. So this is an image that I've created earlier, very simple little Pac-Man with the Bestcode text written straight after it. A couple of things to take note of when creating these images. The first is the size of the image has to be 32 dots high or lower. The 32 relates to the number of jets or the number of dots we have available on the CIJ printer, so it will not accept anything higher than 32 for a Model 88. And then once we've done that, we're going to go into the file and we're going to go Save As, and this directory is also very important. So this is the USB drive that I'm saving it to, the thumb drive. This number relates to the version of firmware that your printer has. Now mine is 01, 04, 07, 06. Your printer may have a different version. So take note of what that number is there. Then it's going to go into the subdirectory of BC data and then in another subdirectory called graphics. This is so that when we plug the thumb drive into the printer, it recognizes where the graphics are stored. This image I've called, or this graphic I've called Pac-Man. I'm going to go ahead and save it, but I'm saving it as a monochrome bitmap file. The printer will not accept any other file other than monochrome bitmap. So go ahead and save that, and then that image is now on the stick, and we can take that thumb drive now to the printer to upload it. So now with the printer off, I'm going to use a large flat-bladed screwdriver to open the cabinet door, pull that away. So now with the USB stick, I'm going to add the stick into the printer, into the USB port, just there. Once the USB stick is in place, we can go ahead and close the cabinet door and switch on the printer again. So with the printer back on, we're now going to upload the graphic that we created earlier onto the printer. And to do this, we're going to press the service key. And then we're going to go into Tools. And then we have on the top here, we have Backup and Restore. We're going to go Restore and hit the Graphics button. Once we've done that, we're going to do File Transfer and confirm that we want to do that. This has now moved the image from the stick to the printer. So if we go now and create a new message, and I'm going to call this one graphic. And I'm going to use the graphic field down the bottom here and find the graphic that we've just created called Pac-Man. There's a preview of it, there's the image, and I'm going to select it for printing and add it to the message. And again, we're going to have to go into the font and increase the template up to 32 dots high. And now you can see the graphic is brought into the message. Once we've done that, we can save the message. There's a preview of it, and I'm now going to select that message for printing. And again, you can see the image graphic right there.